Welcome in car detailing. We provide glass coating services in Islamabad and Rawalpindi. Ceramic coating improves resistance against acid rain, bird droppings, temperature cycles, brake dust, chemicals, industrial fallout, insect acid, micro marine, mineral deposits, traffic film, rust, sunshine and UV. Just call and book your order. Our team will be at your doorstep. Call now for book your order 0330686240. You can visit on our outlet, DHA Phase 4C2, Street number 7, Islamabad.